Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Trev's Bits and Bobs, and today I'm vlogging in the car to Spar and Subway to see if I can meet any of my friends. Because last year on my previous videos, check them videos out with my friends. Always just pulling in because there's a van in front of us. Now driving. We're just coming up for some traffic lights now. Good timing. It went green. I have a little bit of a cold, but mind out. I'm going to get my foot long. There's Tesco's petrol station. Now there's lots of cars in front now. There's the McDonald's. There's always roadworks about, guys. Guy on crutches. There's the Lidl's. Now we're going to hopefully make it through this traffic light. There's the new traffic lodge. Travel lodge. They're still doing that work. That's just a brick saw going around. We're coming up at Spittle Terrace. There's another pedestrian crossing.